Now, I am going to explain about the leaching process. See, firstly, what is the leaching process? The leaching process means removal of potash and other pesticides residues which are actually on the outer layer of the vegetables. Whether it is for normal vegetable preparations for chronic kidney patients, or else to prepare the raw vegetable juice, we have to invariably leach the vegetables. Now I am going to show that for especially for raw vegetables juice, what are all the ingredients we are going to be used. Those things I am going to get leached. See, now I am going to immerse the vegetables in the water for 12 hours. Now we have to keep it like this for about 12 hours. And now I have immersed all the vegetables in the water, and we have to keep in this way for overnight. And morning we have to rinse these vegetables in the hot water. Now we have to rinse these vegetables with the boiled water. See, now I am pouring the boiled water on this vegetables. So we have to keep in the boiled water for few seconds or few minutes. See, now after rinsing in the boiled water for a few minutes, you take out, and it's so hot. Now, you can go for directly preparation for either any vegetable curry or raw vegetable juice, or else you can properly remove this entire water droplets on these vegetables, and you can preserve it in fridge also for using later on. So this is the way in which we have to leach the vegetables.